La, 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 la. Hey, Mal, it's me, Hal. Don't you wanna, can't you help me out some? No, I still can't, sorry. Rejected again. Another weeknight feeling lonely, especially miserable. You're doing it all wrong, Hal. Would you wanna hang out with the girl again? I've got a plan to figure out. All our hangouts as planned. With Lo and Sherry Kirby do. I'll just watch. Hey, Fred, I like your outfit. I had no idea it was dressed up like a rockin' daisy, like a nature lover. Yeah, nailed it. Okay, that didn't go as planned, but let's try making. That's what Blow and Chevy Kirby do with Mr. Tremendon through the past 6 years. Hey, Ronald. I'm not really into guys who help out most of the time, but he looks good, okay? Ow! My clothes! Okay, there's another idea that I can do for you. I call in by different Mr. Tremendon. Different Mr. Tremendon. It's a mystery. I call that in myself sometimes. Just like the time Ronald did to. Yeah, could you help out dear old Hal again? You will? Oh, thanks. You really are a horrible teacher. Don't tell me that you couldn't help out for 5 weeks like we did back in November. No offense, really, because it's true. That's whoa, nice outfit, different Mr. Tremendon. Oh, thanks. That's nice. It's because that you guys had been hanging out all the time. Yeah, I know, right? How about if we all get back to your apartment? Yeah. And now we play the accusing game. Ugh.